want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Every weekend. I was like, bro, like some fine shit there or what? So we was just chilling. But it was fun. I like it.
Like, me and my old nigga before Jordan.
My car not for sure. I'm just working.
But if y'all want to show it, hell, show my cousin. But she wants to see too. She like, hold on. Yeah, on God, I did want to be nosy, but I kind of seen them right in the middle though.
In the middle.
Yeah, they look like they right here.
Probably gonna have to get up. It can't be. That's so, I promise you that.
This one there was a little engine. Not trying to get me scared. But these people still outside, so they don't know somebody. The feds right behind us. Unless that is that a fed?
Oh, that's that Mustang.
That's why I said it gotta be that fucking.
Oh, bro.
Cause I'm like, you don't even hear that shit no more.
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Somebody outside.
But they looking around and it like it's
they going somewhere else? Do y'all know? From the car meet?
Yeah, we're over there.
Wait, so that was a real shooter? I thought that was a car engine.
What the fuck, bro?
That's
Wait, so-
to go now before the tow trucks take every car out.
Oh my God.
Why they gonna tell us
shit.
when we in
What
it?
the-
I'm not leaving to other people.
Right.
The
We gotta
killer
get the,
killed
we can't even
himself.
get up. We can't even get the fuck
The
up out of
killer
here.
killed himself.
What? So he shot people, bitch, and then shot himself, bitch. That's what she said. So wait, it was a nigga.
I don't know who it was. No, he said kill him and I think he said she's.
It's fucking damn. They keep rolling like that. A little video of that. Oh no, that's not him that be riding that car. It be a big nigga that be riding in that bitch.
Hello?
Ooh, I like how that bitch
Bro, somebody
slow
got
up.
shot across, so we all at the gas station.